one and only Blvd, and we got my girl Miranda here today for a wig install in the sleigh from yours truly. I'll show you guys step by step, of course, how I do a wig install. The braids is already done, right, tight, and neat, no fleek. So now I'm just gonna put on her ball cap and melt it down and so on and so forth. I just melted down the new cap underneath the wig to help it give the illusion of scalp. Now I'm about to apply like 4 coats of glue just to make sure they give a very sturdy and long lasting hold. And we're going to style it after that. Okay, so we already put the wig on and like melted the edges down. make sure you can see the look that we're going today. The look that we're going for today is a curtain bang, so we're actually gonna cover the edges up. I know that's so sad, right? But it's gonna be really cute. What was I gonna say? I don't know.
Stay tuned.
Like, tune, stay. Not stay tuned, tune, stay, you guys. Okay, so I just finished curling it, getting ready to cut the face frame, the curtain bang. But as you see, the curls are real neat, real cute. Look, play. Yay! So now I'm gonna just comb them out, layer the I'm gonna comb them out now and layer the curtain bang in the front, and then she'll be beneath them.
Ooh.
So cute, right? Okay, you guys, so now that I'm finished, this is the finishing look of the curtain bang. The curtain bang, the dish. Okay, so this is the finishing product of my bang, my curtain bang look. How do you like it?
I love it.
It's so neat and on fleek, you guys. You know what to pull up to. Called by the Blade. I'm gonna get you right though.